Yo, it's Travis with Air Power Live, and today is my next booth. I'm with Zane Abato, Global Finishing Solutions. See, I always get caught because I want to just say GFS or
That's
Global.
right. That's right.
So, Global Finishing Solutions. Zane, I have known you for a long time.
Yes, sir.
You guys built some fantastic booths, fantastic ovens, and we buy a plethora of things from you.
Yep.
How are you liking the show here today?
It's awesome. You guys did this 2 years ago.
Yep, we did.
Slightly different format, but we get to spend a little more time with everybody, and it's you guys have so many sales reps that for me to go around and visit everybody take half a year.
But it's not just the Southeast U.S. anymore.
That's right. That's right.
I mean, we started out at like a tri-state area, then went to the Southeast, kept growing.
Yeah,
now all the way up the Eastern Seaboard.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So now you come here, get one shot, get everybody.
And some great acquisitions, with Lee Patterson and Zenmar. So everything's kind of just growing out now.
Absolutely.
It was kind of crazy. I was up in, what was it? Up in Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Somebody was doing an install. I happened to be there on a filter call.
Okay.
And then I go across the street and I got a whole team from Air Power working on an install. It's pro.
Yeah.
So that's nuts. That hardly happens in the South when I'm going to visit.
Right.
So what are you featuring today? What's your next couple days over this? Anything specific that you want to talk about, or special, or
over the last couple of years with COVID, we've had to make some evolutions as a company, and it's one of those where strong companies, if you evolve during these tough times, you just come out the other end much stronger. But it forces you to evolve, or you go away. So we've invested a lot of money in automation for our shop. Workers are harder and harder to get a hold of these days. Automation and software programs for our design, which is going to be paramount in the years to come for speed and accuracy and submittal drawings, 3D renderings, electrical schematics. Powder is exploding, and so we're putting together programs to be able to simplify that. Most people want to bring in powder from outside, and they don't know where to begin.
Right.
It's not like liquid. You spray, throw it out there, and let it air dry. There's surface prep. You got to paint. You got to cure it. It's
my world.
That's right. So we're putting together those types of software programs to kind of plug and play. Make it super easy and simplified to come up with that whole package. So, we got some things going on.
Coming out of COVID, you guys did a great job working with Air Power on providing some training. Really good online training, interactive. It wasn't like watch a video. It was, we were having conversations back and forth on the training video.
Yep.
That was awesome. We appreciate that very much.
Might be time to revisit some of that stuff too.
Like it was, Dan Senef, our president, was like, listen, we hit COVID. Nobody's traveling.
That's right.
Memorandum, no traveling. However, let it be known that you're still employed. You're still expected to work for your customers and for Air Power. But most importantly, now is the time that if you don't know something,
That's right.
you have every ability from every vendor that we have to learn. And when we come out of this, you will know everything.
Yeah.
And man, our training regimen was hardcore.
It gave everybody opportunities for time, desk time, that they didn't have before. So
Just breathe and learn.
That's right.
Yep.
That's right.
Cool.
That's it.
Thank you for joining us at this event.
Of course, thank you for having me.
I look forward to getting you in the podcast studio in about a month and a half.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to talk about all of this.
Sounds good.
So, Zane, thank you. On to the next booth.